Learning makes tomorrow better. Helping people is a kind plan for tomorrow.
Yes, I will help my neighbor tomorrow. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English podcast.
Hi, I'm Ben.
And I'm Anna. Today, we will talk about tomorrow.
That's right. How to talk about your plans, goals, and dreams for tomorrow.
This will help you practice English for daily conversations.
Let's start learning and talking about tomorrow together.
So, what is tomorrow?
Tomorrow means the day after today.
For example, if today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday.
Exactly. It's very simple, but we use it a lot in daily life.
We can talk about what we will do tomorrow.
Yes, we often use the word will to talk about tomorrow.
How do you talk about your plans for tomorrow?
I say, I will go to work tomorrow.
Nice. I can say, I will study English tomorrow.
Great. You can also use going to. I'm going to meet my friend tomorrow.
Both will and going to are good for talking about the future.
Here are some words we use to talk about tomorrow. Plan, schedule, meeting, appointment, rest, study, visit.
Yes. For example, I have a meeting tomorrow morning.
Or, I plan to visit my grandmother tomorrow.
Try to make your own sentence using tomorrow.
Let's practice together.
Repeat after us.
I will go shopping tomorrow.
I will meet my friend tomorrow.
I'm going to watch a movie tomorrow.
Good job. That's how you talk about tomorrow in English. What will the weather be like tomorrow?
Maybe sunny or rainy.
We can say, it will be sunny tomorrow.
Or, it might rain tomorrow.
These are great sentences for small talk.
Yes. You can ask your friend, what do you think the weather will be like tomorrow?
Let's imagine we want to meet tomorrow.
Sure. I can say, do you want to have coffee tomorrow?
And I can answer, yes. What time?
You can also say, sorry, I'm busy tomorrow.
Perfect. That's polite and natural.
We can make our sentences longer with time words.
Like tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, or tomorrow evening.
For example, I will go jogging tomorrow morning.
I will cook dinner tomorrow evening.
This helps people understand when you will do something.
Sometimes we're excited about tomorrow.
Yes. We can say, I can't wait for tomorrow.
Or, I'm so excited for tomorrow's trip.
Good job. Add feeling to your sentences to sound natural.
Many people talk about work tomorrow.
True. You can say, I will go to work tomorrow.
Or, I have a meeting tomorrow morning.
You can also say, I don't work tomorrow.
Great! That means you have a day off.
Students can say, I have school tomorrow.
Or, I will study for my test tomorrow.
Some may say, I'm going to meet my teacher tomorrow.
That's how you talk about school plans for tomorrow. What if tomorrow is the weekend?
Then we can say, I will relax tomorrow.
Or, I'm going to visit my family tomorrow.
Weekend plans are always fun to talk about.
Sometimes we are not sure about tomorrow.
Yes, then we use maybe.
For example, maybe I will go out tomorrow.
Or, maybe it will rain tomorrow.
Maybe means you're not 100% sure.
We can also talk about daily routines.
For example, I will wake up early tomorrow.
I will have breakfast at 7 a.m. tomorrow.
This helps you practice daily life English. We can make predictions too.
Like, I think tomorrow will be a good day.
Or, I believe tomorrow will be better.
Positive thinking helps us feel happy.
Are you traveling tomorrow?
Maybe. You can say, I will travel to the city tomorrow.
Or, I'm going to take a bus tomorrow morning.
Travel plans are easy to talk about with tomorrow.
What will you eat tomorrow?
I will eat noodles tomorrow.
Yum! I will cook rice tomorrow.
You can say, I'm going to have lunch with my friend tomorrow.
Great! Food is always a fun topic.
Maybe you plan to see a doctor tomorrow.
You can say, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow.
Or, I will exercise tomorrow.
Good! Talking about health helps you care for yourself. Let's talk about shopping.
I will buy new clothes tomorrow.
I'm going to the supermarket tomorrow.
Shopping plans are easy to talk about in English.
Some people clean their homes tomorrow.
Yes, you can say, I will clean my room tomorrow.
Or, I'm going to wash my clothes tomorrow.
That's a good daily activity to talk about.
Ben, are you going to exercise tomorrow?
Yes, I'm going to run in the park tomorrow morning.
Nice! I will do yoga tomorrow.
That's great for your health.
You can say, I will exercise tomorrow, or I'm going to the gym tomorrow.
Simple and useful. Do you have family plans tomorrow, Anna?
Yes, I will visit my parents tomorrow afternoon.
That's wonderful.
You can also say, I'm going to have dinner with my family tomorrow.
Family time is always special.
Tomorrow is a good day to see friends.
Yes, I will meet my friends tomorrow.
Or, we're going to the cafe tomorrow.
You can also ask, do you want to hang out tomorrow?
That means spending time together.
Sometimes we just need to rest tomorrow.
Yes, you can say, I will rest tomorrow.
Or, I'm going to stay home and relax.
Rest is important to feel fresh and happy. What about entertainment plans?
I will watch a movie tomorrow night.
I'm going to watch a TV show tomorrow.
You can say, I will watch Netflix tomorrow.
Fun and relaxing.
Do you like reading, Anna?
Yes, I will read my favorite book tomorrow.
Nice. You can say, I'm going to read a magazine tomorrow.
Reading is a good habit for tomorrow and every day. Many people plan to learn something tomorrow.
Yes, for example, I will study English tomorrow.
Or, I'm going to learn guitar tomorrow.
Learning makes tomorrow better. Helping people is a kind plan for tomorrow.
Yes, I will help my neighbor tomorrow.
I'm going to visit my friend who is sick tomorrow.
That's a lovely thing to do. Tomorrow, we can also care for the environment.
That's right. I will clean the park tomorrow.
I am going to recycle bottles tomorrow.
Small actions make a big difference. Anna, do you set goals for tomorrow?
Yes, my goal is to wake up early tomorrow.
My goal is to finish my work tomorrow.
You can say, my goal for tomorrow is...
That's a great sentence to practice.
How do you feel about tomorrow?
I feel happy and ready.
You can say, I'm excited for tomorrow.
Or, I'm nervous about tomorrow.
Talking about feelings is part of good communication.
Let's make a simple schedule for tomorrow.
Okay. I will wake up at 7 a.m.
I will eat breakfast at 8 a.m.
I will go to work at 9 a.m.
You can make your own tomorrow schedule like this.
What are your morning plans for tomorrow?
I will drink coffee and read the news.
I will exercise and take a shower.
Morning routines help us start the day strong. What about the afternoon?
I will go shopping tomorrow afternoon.
I'm going to study English after lunch.
Afternoon is a great time to be productive. How about the evening tomorrow?
I will watch TV and relax.
I will cook dinner for my family.
Evening plans are usually quiet and relaxing.
Sometimes tomorrow can be busy or hard.
Yes, you can say, tomorrow will be a busy day.
Or, I have many things to do tomorrow.
It's good to plan early and stay calm. Let's talk about motivation.
You can say, tomorrow is a new chance.
You can say, tomorrow I will do my best.
Positive words help you stay motivated.
Yes, every tomorrow is a new start.
Sometimes we have dreams or hopes for tomorrow.
Like, I hope tomorrow will be a good day.
Or, I hope I can finish my project tomorrow.
Hope is a beautiful word for tomorrow. You can also make promises about tomorrow.
Yes, I promise I will call you tomorrow.
Or, I'll help you tomorrow. Don't worry.
Promises make relationships strong. Let's make a to-do list for tomorrow.
Okay, number 1, study English.
Number 2, clean my room.
Number 3, call my friend.
That's an easy way to plan tomorrow.
Anna, do you dream when you sleep?
Yes, sometimes I have nice dreams.
You can say, I had a dream last night about tomorrow.
That's fun. Dreams give us ideas for the future. Let's give some advice.
Sure. Don't forget to smile tomorrow.
Be kind tomorrow.
Do your best tomorrow.
Good advice makes tomorrow brighter.
Sometimes we worry about tomorrow.
Yes, that's normal.
You can say, I'm worried about my test tomorrow.
But remember, everything will be okay tomorrow.
Positive thinking helps a lot.
Let's think about what tomorrow means.
Tomorrow is hope, a new beginning.
Tomorrow is a chance to try again.
Every tomorrow can be better than today.
That's a beautiful thought.
Wow, we talked a lot about tomorrow today.
Yes, we learned how to make simple sentences about future plans.
Like, I will, and I'm going to.
And we talked about work, study, family, and dreams.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Keep practicing English every day and think positive about tomorrow.
See you in the next episode.
Bye for now.